You know what? Change is inevitable, and sometimes we have to jump right into change to see our fullest potential. And this morning's guest is a one embodiment of that phrase. Here with me to share her entrepreneurial journey into fashion is entrepreneur and owner of Curvy Definition Plus, all the way from Montego Bay, Tanya Thompson. Hey, Tanya, welcome.
Hi, thank you for having me.
So good to have you.
Thank
so
you.
tell me a little bit about your story. I just gave the viewers one long something about about change, and tell me about your story and how you got here.
Curvy Definition Plus is a plus size store. We stock sizes 1X, 2X, and 3X. We started basically because I couldn't find clothes to wear that I liked.
Okay.
And it's odd walking into a store and somebody saying, "Oh, we don't have any sizes larger than extra large or large." And I felt something has to be done. So I just started my own thing.
Yeah, and it's a thing. I think people feel, well, not anymore, I hope, that curvy people are not fashionable people.
Are not fashionable
and
people.
So sometimes you go in on some of the things you see, oh, go wear
then
that.
who da go
Look good.
who go wear this?
Yeah, that not look good. That would I get that for wear?
Right? So I decided that I need to break that trend. I needed to get trendy pieces and affordable pieces.
Great.
So that's the biggest part of it. So let's say you walk into a true plus size store and you're like, oh my God, and you look at the price tag and you're like, because you can't buy it because it's too expensive. So we also have to cater to people who budget friendly. So we have a lot of budget friendly options, and we have options that if you're a girl on the rise and you want something a little bit more outside of a certain price range, then we have those as well.
Yeah. So it's one thing to say, okay, I'm going to shop for myself. It's another to open a store. How did you move into being an entrepreneur?
So it started randomly. So typically I give myself a budget every year when I used to work in corporate to refresh my wardrobe to look cute and look fashionable going to work. So one time I bought a whole lot of clothes, but sometimes you buy online, it's iffy.
When it come, it not look right enough.
Yeah, you're like, oh my God, this is so big. So a friend of mine was like, I need something to wear tomorrow. I said, why you never tell me? Just buy some stuff and it just come down. And she's like, oh, all right then. So, oh my God, and she's like, why not sell me the ones that can't fit you? And then she was like, all right, bought it, fit her perfectly, and then she sent somebody else. I'm like, but I
And
don't,
it just take off from
I know
there.
store me, and me just never have some stuff I couldn't fit, and me just sell you. So it started just like that, and I started to do pre-orders, and I was like, all right, this looked like something that could work.
Yeah. So a big element of entrepreneurship these days is social content. So how do you keep, because I know you're based in Montego Bay, but that don't stop a soul in Jamaica. When women want clothes, they will buy from anywhere. So what are some of the things that you do to keep customers across Jamaica linked into you?
So, perfect question. So we are exclusively online. That is every single thing, right? So we have a website that you can shop from, curvydefinition.com. So everything is pretty much online. We're on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and we also do WhatsApp.
So there's no physical store, it's a
no
virtual
physical store. So it's everything is online. So I touch every single parish in Jamaica. I ship to every single parish.
Oh, so people can just go on.
Go on to the website, 4 o'clock in the morning.
No, you're the problem now, Tanya. Do you guide them in terms of sizes?
Yes, I do.
Because I know some people say, listen, if your waist is this, then you are 1X.
Yes.
Because people in them head always one size smaller than the actual.
Because yes, it's very true. So I am the model, I am the face of the brand. So I make sure that my stats are present. My waist, my bust, my booty, my hips. I make sure that all my stats is present so that persons can use me as a guide. And customers, believe you or me, that nobody not going on the website and just ordering randomly. They're gonna say, so you think this will go fit me?
Yes.
All right, my belly kind of high. You think say go fit over my belly right there? So all right, that's so.
Curvy girls know what part of their body to
Right.
work.
And
right, fair?
So that's why also the pieces are chosen specifically towards
The client.
women with bigger bust or bigger bottom or bigger belly. So something is there for everyone.
It works for the client. The client knows what enhances them, and then you help too as well. So they go on, they see it, and then they'll tell you. What I like is the range of stuff that you have. I'll pick them out so that I don't hurt. So like, yes, very party.
Yes. So I figured Sumfest is coming up and the girls are gonna need something.
Because I don't know why people think curvy. Listen, Jamaican curvy women are very confident.
Very confident. And the men make us more confident because, oh Lord.
And this is a little bit more cocktail.
Yes, so if you're having a birthday dinner, this is absolutely perfect for you. It gives you just enough sexy and just enough modest to look cute, feel cute, but still not feel overwhelmed by all of what's showing.
Absolutely. You know, it's summery time, so you want to make sure, you know, I love a long dress.
Maxis are a staple piece in our store.
Yeah.
We make sure that we always have a good maxi. And what's perfect about this maxi is that it's going in our $299 sale that we're having on Thursday. That means almost everything in our store is $2,999 to $3,500. And this dress is $3,500.
What?
You feel the quality? It's amazing.
I do. It's amazing quality. What I like about the fabric is it's going to keep you cool.
It's
in the summer. And the great thing about this is you can accessorize it with almost anything.
Almost anything.
Yeah. So you can change it up. You can get very, okay, I'm going for a nice little dinner. Like I'm meeting my friends in the evening for drinks or something. Or if I'm just going to go walk the plaza and I just put about.
I wore this to the park the other day.
Yeah,
very cool.
Yeah, man. This you wear personally to the park?
Yes.
I'm going to go buy from Tanya, and Tanya tell me no, so she wear it at the park. Merciful Father.
No, not this one specifically.
Oh, not that one. All right, so good, I'll buy it. And then, of course,
I have a lot of customers who have baby christening. I always have to have these in stock, whichever color, white, black, peach, blue. I always have to have it in stock because somebody needs to go to a baby christening or somebody is going to church. So it's perfect for that, or it's perfect for a nice formal work event.
It is. I like the range. So it means whatever suits your style. You have jeans too.
This is right now cutting up on the internet. I had to, before I even started selling this, I had to restock it.
Yeah.
So it's going on sale as well on Thursday for this is $3,500 and everybody's cutting up over it.
Yeah, man, jeans. You can't beat a jeans.
And it's a palazzo style jeans.
Okay. Spanish Town says he's going to buy it for me. I like my crew.
See?
Thank you very much.
You know the Schweppes.
Of course. Luckily, my attorney, Peter Champagny, was here earlier. So if you say we get locked up for shoplifting, him can say, good soldier. All right, one more thing before we go?
Yes. This is a staple, and it's a set, and we stock a lot of sets. This legging set is the most comfortable thing you'll ever wear in your life. The fabric is amazing. It's form-fitting, and it hugs you everywhere of your body.
Nice. Tanya, I like the things them.
Thank you.
I'm gonna support you before you go this morning. I like them.
Thank you.
I like them. Yeah, they're cool.
Thank you.
Awesome. Tanya Thompson, entrepreneur and owner of Curvy Definition Plus. Where do they find you online?
You can find me at Curvy Definition Plus, on Instagram at Curvy Definition Plus, on TikTok at Curvy Definition Plus, on Facebook, and you can shop from our website at curvydefinition.com.
Listen, it's a curvy girl story and Jamaican dream. You start off with your business, you have a dream, chin up, you keep going, and this is what will happen. We love it. We love a big story and smile Jamaica.
Thank you.
And a powerful story. Tanya, nice meeting you.